So we're at 2501 Bullion Loop, single story, corner lot home. It's a little windy out here, so I'm gonna get inside. I think there's a little rainstorm coming, but anyways, this is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home. Let's get the door opened here so you can see. So like I said, it's 1 story, it's 4-bedroom, 2-bath, about 2,000 square feet. So you get a nice view of the whole house when you're first walking in here. So it is a split floor plan. So right off the first room to the right when we first come in is actually a good size bedroom because it does have a closet. You could also use this for a home office. That would really be ideal. I'm gonna shut the door because it's a little windy out there. Okay, so then we come in, you have your entry area here. This is a combo, formal living space, dining space. See all the windows have blinds and window treatments on. So then here, we come down here, we've got the laundry room on the left. We've got the guest bathroom, full guest bath here on the right, and we come around the corner here, and these are the 2nd and 3rd bedrooms. This one here they're using for a home office, but those are both generous bedrooms. So let's get back out of here and we'll go hit the rest of the house. So we have our formal areas. Now we're into kind of the kitchen, family room area. So this kitchen is actually really huge. There's a lot of space. I'll back up so you can see it all. You're screaming for like either a little breakfast nook there or center island or something would work out good. And then this side of the kitchen, you've got your walk-in pantry, your fridge, some more cabinets, a little niche there for your TV area, and then your family room. Off the family room, we have sliding doors to get out to the fully fenced backyard. There's a gate, so easy access. This is a corner lot, and nice PVC vinyl fencing and lush green yard, so that's nice. The master's kind of hidden back here. We have a walk-in closet on the left there, and it's a very spacious room. Again, blinds, fan, and then the bath is actually over here, and tub and shower. All right, and that is it. Thank you.